Now I'm gonna hide all of these blue axes because it seems a little bit crowded. I'm gonna click on View and go to the Hide and Show and click on Temporary Axes again. Now all of these blue axes disappeared. All right. Let's say this planet here is supposed to sit on this plate, on this face. In order to do that, I'm gonna select, click on Mate, and select this face and also this face, and click on OK. All right. Now if I move this shaft and stick with the planet here, you can see that it can easily move horizontally, but I want to make this movement limited between the front and back faces of the gear ring. So I need to define an advanced mate. If I click on mate and go to advanced mate, I can click on width. You can see there are two boxes here with selection and tab selections. For the first box, I'm going to select the front and back faces of the gear ring. And for the tab selections, I'm going to select the front face and back faces of the planet gear and click on OK. Now you can see that I'm not able to move this shaft and planet gear horizontally. It can just rotate inside the gear ring, as you can see. In the next step, I'm going to define appropriate gear mate to make this assembly completed. I'm going to start by clicking on mate. As I said, I need to define a gear mate, and gear mate is a mechanical mate. So if I click on mechanical mate and click on gear, you can see there's a box here. I just need to select one of the faces between the teeth of the planet gear, for example, this one or this one or this one. It doesn't really matter which face you would want to select. For example, I'm going to select this one. There is one more face that I need to select, and this face is an arbitrary face between two teeth of the gear ring, which is this one. For example, I can select this one, or this one. It doesn't matter. For example, I'm going to select this one. And there are two numbers which are gear ratios. These numbers are automatically calculated. You don't need to change these numbers, and just click on OK. If I rotate this shaft, you can see that the gear mate has been implemented on this assembly. All right. Now I'm going to click on mate and go to mechanical mate and click on gear because I want to implement one more gear mate for the sun gear and the planet gear. I'm going to select, for example, one of the faces between the teeth of the planet gear. Let's say this is this one, and select one arbitrary face on the sun gear. It should be a face between two arbitrary teeth, for example, this one, and then click on OK. All right, and in the last step, I need to define a coincident mate. Click on mate, select coincident, select the back face of the sun gear, which is this one, and the front face of the planet gear, which is this one, and click on OK. Now if I rotate this shaft, you can see that all of the required gear mates have been perfectly implemented on this assembly. is working fine.